In crisis management, we're working on the R&D projects, and one of those projects is how can we use technology to respond in a spill more efficiently. This piece of equipment takes a special application called a COA, a special permit to be able to fly it. There's a lot of restrictions on this. We're working with Greg Walker out of University of Alaska Fairbanks, who is an expert on UAVs, unmanned aerial vehicles.
We learned from BP this spring that they had these aircraft, but because BP is a company, they were not going to be able to get the permissions to get an airspace permit to do this kind of work. So we said, hey, this is a research project. It's really not operationally ready yet. We would love to help them figure out how is it usable, what technology is suitable, help them understand what the limits are and the benefits are. It's a great research project for us, for the university, for the state of Alaska as well.
We also invited Polaris, who's one of our major contractors for SCAT, Shoreline Cleanup Assessment, to show us how we can use this in SCAT to be more efficient and effective. So we have Graham McDonald here from Polaris helping us out and showing us how we can use this piece of equipment. So I've worked with him, and then I talked to Aeryon, who is the manufacturer of this equipment, to come up and help us test it and train us on how to use this piece of equipment and how it would be efficient and easy to use. In a response, you need to be able to train people and have them up to speed and ready to go.
This week, we've been training with this aircraft, and we had 3 days of training and a couple days of just this kind of operation. I'm impressed. BP's done a very good job of knowing who their key components were. The places where they didn't have experience in the past, like with the FAA, were people that we understood how to work that issue. We pride ourselves on trying to stay operationally focused and trying to stay relevant to Alaska needs.
Many ideas thrown out there and technologies on how could we do things better and more efficiently. And surveillance is always a big part of oil spill response.